Hello everyone. Welcome to Bitsgate. Today, we will see how to create an instance in AWS EC2 free tier cloud. Go to Instances and select Launch Instance. Provide a suitable name for your instance. You can choose any machine image, so let's use Ubuntu server. For logging in, we require a key pair. You can create a new key, or use an existing one if you already have one. Save the PEM file in your computer's C drive user folder. Check to allow HTTPS and HTTP traffic from internet. You can check them now or add them later in SSH configuration. Now, launch the instance. As we can see, the instance is now successfully launched. And the public and private IPv4 addresses are visible. Now, let's connect to the server or instance we just now created. For that, go to Connect. And then under EC2 Instance Connect, select Connect. Connection is established with the server, exactly like an Ubuntu machine terminal. Now, before starting any task, we must always update the machine to avoid problems. Once our tasks are complete, enter exit command to successfully log out from the server. We hope this video was helpful. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.